Hi. On the first tutorial, we already discussed how to create company, customer, supplier, sales entry, post, category, item, barcode, and purchase entry. This is the second tutorial. In this tutorial, we need to cover other accounting solutions. Firstly, we will discuss how to enter a receipt. For enter a receipt voucher, click on Transactions and click on Receipt button here. For cash receipt entry, give receipt date here, then select cash ledger if it is a cash transaction. Here is two ledgers, bank ledger and cash ledger. If it is a cash transaction, select cash ledger. And finally, then select the ledger. For example, if it is a receipt from customer, then select customer ledger here. Then give receipt voucher number if you want. Then give receipt amount and give narration here. Software also providing Billzz receipt entry option also. For this option, for Billzz option, click on Billzz button here and give original bill amount and paid amount here and give Billzz narration. And finally click on save button here. Then cash receipt already created. If it is a bank transaction, then select bank as a ledger here. Select bank as ledger. If you have a check receipt, then click on check button. Then provide check number, check date, bank and check status. You can provide any additional notes also here. Then give general or Billzz narration. You can give general or Billzz narrations. You can provide bill amount, paid amount and give general or Billzz narrations also. And finally click on save button here. Then we already discussed how to create a cash receipt and check receipt. Okay. Then let's know how to create a payment voucher. For the creation of payment voucher, click on transactions and click on payment button here and enter all necessary details same like receipt voucher. Provide payment voucher date, select cash or bank ledger and select supplier or dealer or any expenses ledger account. Then provide voucher number and amount. If it's a check payment, provide check details here like check number, check date, bank, check status and any additional notes and provide general or Billzz narrations here. Finally press on save button. Then payment entry already created. Then we need to discuss how to create a ledger account. For create a ledger account, click on masters and click on ledger button. Then provide ledger name here. For example, printing and stationery and select account group. Ledger name, provide printing and stationery. and select account group here. As per accounting rules, printing and stationery is an indirect expense. So select indirect expense as account group. Indirect expense. If there is any credit or debit opening balances at the time of creation of this ledger, then provide opening balance here. Credit or debit opening balances. If there is no opening balances, then you can mention here 0. After provide all informations, then click on save button here. Then we already created ledger account. As you know, all ledgers under any accounts groups, software automatically providing common accounting groups. If you need to create a new account group, if you need to create one additional account group, then click on masters and click on account group button. On account group window, provide base group like current asset, current liability. These are the base groups that are providing by the software. Current asset, current liability, direct expense, direct income, fixed asset, indirect expense, indirect income, long term liability. These are the base groups. So, and give the new account group name give the new account group name you want to create. For example, if you need to create an account group for furniture and fixtures, then select fixed assets as base group. Then provide furniture and fixtures as account group. Furniture and fixtures. Now we already select fixed asset as base group and furniture and fixtures as account group. So we need to create furniture and fixtures a new account group. So type here furniture and fixtures, then and click on save button. Then we already created account group. So all ledgers will be under one account group. Software providing more account group automatically generating, but we need any additional account group. For some companies, they need any additional account groups for reporting purposes. For clarification, so if you need any additional account group, you need to create. You must create here from masters and click on account group and provide base group. Base groups are automatically providing by the software. So click on any base group and create new account group. Type here the new account group name and click on save button. We already created account group and ledger. Let's know how to create area. Click on masters and click on area button. Then provide area name here and description and click on save button. Area indicates any places of your customers or suppliers. This function will be helpful at the time of creation of customer and supplier. Okay, let's know how to create salesman. Click on masters, click on salesman button, provide salesman code here you can mention 1 2 3 or any code. Provide salesman code and salesman name here, and click on save button here. We already created salesman. If you want to create manufacturer, click on masters and click on manufacturer button and provide manufacturer name, description, and finally click on save button. Let's discuss how to enter opening stock. Click on transactions and click on opening stock button, then provide date here and enter item code, then provide date, any date, and enter item code here. You need to enter a stock into software. If you need to enter a stock into software, use quantity in option here and type how much quantity, and enter purchase rate, sales rate, and MRP rate of that item. So if you need to enter a stock into software, use this option. There is two options here, quantity in option and quantity out option. So if you need to enter new stocks into software, any stocks into software, use quantity in option. Firstly provide item code and item name and use quantity in option. How much, type here how much quantity you want to enter into software, and provide purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate. After, you can give any additional information here on narration column. After provide all information, click on save button here. For outing any stock items from the system, then use quantity out option here. And provide purchase rate, sales rate, MRP rate, and click on save button, and then it will be saved. So here is two options here, quantity in option, quantity out. Quantity in option is using for enter new items into the software. Quantity out option is using for any shortage items in stocks. You can out from the software by using the quantity out function. So let's discuss how to create sales order. Click on transactions, click on sales order button, then select date, select mode of payment, here cash or credit, select tax type, yes, commonly it's VAT, select customer name here and enter item code, type quantity and rate, type quantity and rate, click, and after click on save button. Then we already created sales order like this. Let's discuss how to create quotation. Click on transactions and click on quotation button. Select date here. Select mode of payment, this cash or credit. Select tax type and select customer name and type item code, item name, quantity and rate. After, click on save button. Here we already created quotation. Let's discuss how to enter sales return. Click on transactions, click on sales return button. And provide all details like customer, mode of payment, date, and again click on save button. We already discussed how to create a sales return. Let's discuss how to create purchase order. Click on transactions and click on purchase order button here. Provide all details and select supplier name. Here you will select supplier name. For purchase you will select supplier name. For sales you should select customer name. Here you want to select supplier name and click on save button. Provide all details, quantity, batch, item name, item code, purchase rate, cost rate, sales rate, and click on save button. Then you already created purchase order. Let's discuss how to create purchase return. Click on transactions and click on purchase return and provide all details and click on save button. Let's discuss how to create delivery note. Click on transactions, click on delivery note button. Provide date, mode of payment, tax type, customer name, and provide item code, quantity, rate, and you can give narration, and finally click on save button. Okay, here let's discuss how to create a journal voucher. Click on transactions and click on journal voucher. Select the journal date here. Provide debit ledger. For example, here, for example, if we purchase stationery by cash, as per accounting theory, the journal entry will be printing and stationery account debtor to cash. So select printing and stationery ledger as debit ledger here. Printing and stationery as debit ledger, and select cash as credit ledger and provide amount. If it is a tax related bill, then you can provide tax amount here. And provide narrations if you want, and finally click on save button. We already create a journal voucher. Let's know how to take reports. Click on reports. Click on stock report button. You can take reports as category wise, item wise, manufacturer wise. If you need category wise, select category and select if you need a category wise report, select category wise and give the category here, for example soap, and provide from to date, the reporting date from to date. You can provide here from to date, then click on show button, then you will see the stock report. And you can see the category wise stock report. Same process in item wise. Here click on item wise and provide item name and provide from to date and click on show button. You can see item wise report here. You can also search the report manufacturer wise here, and you can see stock value reports also. Stock value reports as category wise. You can see stock value reports as category wise, item wise, manufacturer wise, batch wise. For example, for take stock value report on category wise, click on category wise button and select the rate option. So many rate options available here. For example, purchase rate, cost rate, sales rate, and MRP. If you need category wise stock report on purchase rate, then select P rate. And provide category, which category you need. Then provide from to date and click on show button. Then you can see the stock report as per purchase rate. Stock category report as per purchase rate. For item wise and manufacturer wise stock report, you can follow the same step. Okay. Let's see how to take sales report. Click on reports and click on sales reports. You can make customer wise, salesman wise, item wise, category wise, manufacturer wise, bill wise, cancelled bill wise, profit reports. If you need customer wise sales report, click on customer wise here. And select voucher type. It's a sales report, so select sales. And select customer, all. You can select all. And select mode of payment. If you select all, then you will get cash and credit transactions. So we need to create sales report If you need to create sales report customer wise, then click on reports here and click on sales report here, and after click on customer wise and provide sales voucher type as sales, and customer if you need all reports, all customers reports, so select all, and if you need cash report, cash wise customer report, then select cash all, or you can select all, so you will get all reports, and provide from to date here and provide and click on show button, then you will get the customer wise sales report. Okay, if you need customer wise sales report individually, if you need a customer sales report, then provide the select the customer name also, then you will get customer wise sales report. Provide customer name, select customer name here. Firstly select the voucher type and select the customer name, and select mode of payment, and provide from to date, and click on show button, then you will get customer wise sales report. Okay, if you select you can take sales report as salesman wise, item wise, category wise, manufacturer wise. For example, if you need sales report item wise, then select on item wise button and select voucher type all as all is better, or sales is better, and select the item name and provide from to date, and click on show button, then you will get item wise sales report. Then you can get sales report through salesman wise, item wise, category wise, manufacturer wise, bill wise, cancelled bill, and all. There is so many facilities available here. If you need a purchase report, then after we will discuss how to take purchase report. If you need purchase report, click on reports and click on purchase report button, and you can take purchase report as supplier wise, salesman wise, item wise, category wise, and manufacturer wise. For supplier wise purchase report, click on supplier wise button and select voucher type, select customer supplier name here, and provide all details, and click on show button, then you will get supplier wise purchase report. Same process in salesman wise, item wise, category wise, and manufacturer wise purchase report. So for accounts reports, click on reports and click on accounts reports. You can take account report as ledger wise, group wise, customer wise, outstanding customer wise, outstanding bill wise, and outstanding supplier wise, and outstanding bill wise also. Let's see how to make sales order. Let's see how to make sales order or purchase order. Click on reports Let's see how to make sales order report or purchase order report. For this, click on reports and click on order report. You can take order report as party wise, salesman wise, item wise, category wise, and manufacturing wise. For example, if you need party wise sales order report, then click on party wise here and select the order type as sales order. Here's two options, sales order and purchase order. Select the sales order and give party name, means customer name here, and provide all details, tax type, from to date, and click on show button. Then you can take you already take sales order report. Then the same process in purchase order report. If you need a purchase order report, only select here as a purchase order here, order type, and provide a supplier name and from to date. Then click on show button. You will get a purchase order report also. Let's know how to take return reports. Click on reports and click on return reports button. You can take return reports as party wise, salesman wise, item wise, category wise, manufacturer wise. If you need sales return report, select sales return on voucher type here, sales return, and if you need purchase return report, then select purchase return here as voucher type. After provide all details, click on show button. You will get purchase return report, sales report, return reports as party wise, salesman wise, item wise, category wise, manufacturer wise. For receipt and payment report, click on reports and select receipt and payment reports. You can take receipt report and payment reports on salesman wise. Select receipt or payment as voucher type. If you need receipt report, then click here as receipt, select receipt as voucher type. If you need a payment report, then click on select payment option as voucher type. Okay, then click salesman, select the salesman, or you can select all and provide from to date and click on show button. Then you will get the receipt or payment report here. If you need VAT report, it's very important. If you need VAT report, click on reports and click on VAT reports button. Select voucher type is sales, petty sales, purchase. If you need a sales VAT report, then select sales as voucher type. Select a mode of payment. It's better to select all. There is cash, credit, all options are available, and select all options is better. Select tax type is commonly VAT, and this all option is better. And select and provide from to date and click on show button. Then we already created VAT reports. So these are the options we need to discuss. We already discussed in second tutorial, and there is also the another third tutorial will become. Then on this tutorial, on that tutorial, we will discuss how to create day book, how to check day book, how to check trail balance, uh, and how to check balance sheet, like so many functions we need to discuss in on third tutorial. So thanks a lot.